Welcome to the Tradex Foods 3-Minute Market Insight. Some fast facts to start your week. Roe herring production is underway in Alaska. The overall quota is 29,000 metric tons and 11,000 metric tons were harvested in the first two openings. The first opening fish were large, 160 to 170 gram, with 14% roe maturity. The second opening fish were smaller, 120 to 140 gram, with 12% roe maturity. Suppliers don't expect to harvest full quota as fish will be spawned out before quota is met. Halibut grounds prices continue to soar at $6 to $6.25 US per pound, and suppliers are seeing very high percentages of 10 to 20 pound fish. Processors report fresh sales as difficult at these price levels, and they are freezing more fish than they would like as a result. Now on to China. Chum salmon continues to be a challenge for Chinese manufacturers. Global sales for portions and fillets are sluggish, leading to downward pressure on prices, and high inventories are leaving the market very unstable, with prices varying up to $1 per pound between processors. Following up on our previous report on labor shortages in China, improved working conditions, wages, benefits have been used to secure laborers for fish processing factories. There is still an overall shortage of labor in this sector. Labor shortages are affecting lead times by up to 4 weeks. Tilapia processors and farmers are reporting that fish ponds are still stocked with fish released November 2011. This 4 to 5 month old fish is getting very large, and there are abundant quantities of 5 to 7 and 7 to 9 ounce fillets available. Processors further report they will be cutting this raw material until late in May. 2012 fry will not be large enough to process these sizes of fillets until July, leaving the period between May and July without supply of larger tilapia fillets. Expect prices to climb between May and July and fall again once the fish are suitable for processing. Now on to Vietnam. Pangasius raw material prices dropped by 5 cents per kg, reflecting slow sales in Europe and North America. However, reports from Vietnam are that Pangasius processors are having troubles paying the farmers for previously purchased fish. Without this money, farmers cannot restock their ponds, and shortages are expected within 3 months if this trend continues. The question is, will the market support increased prices if such a shortage occurs? Given that the lack of business is what is causing financial hardship within the Vietnamese Pangasius processing community. Recently, there have been prominent processors enter bankruptcy or seek financial bailouts from investor groups. The future of Pangasius in Vietnam is uncertain. Thank you for joining me for the Tradex Foods 3-Minute Market Insight. This is Robert Reierson. Buy smart and eat more seafood.